Hello, it's Andy here, Training the Right Way. It's a short series I'm doing. What's my verdict? Basically, I'm reviewing several services, products, applications, software, businesses, things like that. And I'm telling you my experiences of it. A long time ago, I heard that Fiverr is the marketplace to be on if you want to make money. I saw lots of videos from various people telling me how to do it, how to set yourself up, online courses, online services. I've got some skills I want to share or sell, and they were saying how easy it is, that you'll get work and it'll be, you'll be making money left, right and centre. Well, yeah, let me tell you, it ain't that good. I'm going to tell you why in a moment, but for now, we're going to have a look at my phone because there's something else I want to show you. So my phone here, this is my account. You'll see that I have a rating of 4.7 from 2 clients. Well, it says 3 there. I don't know why it says 3, but I've only had two clients that have paid. But the point I want to raise is my response rate. 46% response rate. I had 100% at the beginning of the week. This is what's annoying about this application. This whole service is extremely annoying. The point is that I've got 46% because I never responded to emails overnight, when I'm asleep, when I'm in bed. And I don't carry my phone with me to bed. So these people have messaged me. I've not responded until next day. And now I've got 46%. I had 100 at the beginning of the week. I am very annoyed. This is one of the annoying things about it. Now, you could argue it was my fault because I put on there, I wanted to get somebody to look up my YouTube channel SEO. So I put in there a bid and I had, I had loads of responses, but they were overnight. In the morning I came back and I was looking through these responses and responding to them and replying and saying, well, yes, no, whatever. And now, because I didn't do that quick enough, I'm 46%. So I've got no chance of people contacting me for work because I have my own sort of offers on there. I've got 4, which comes under my account. I think it's on here. Yes, gigs. So my gigs, for example, there's one there. I can teach you how to use CapCut. It's got a 4.3 rating. Apparently, I had two people on that, so that was where I made the money. I didn't make that much money, so when you do get paid, when you finally get paid, they keep your money for at least 2 months. I'm pretty certain it's not 2 months, but it feels like 2 months. It's at least a month anyway. And you don't get your money until they've verified it. Even though the people are paid. And they keep the money and then they give you the money basically after 6 to 8 weeks. But the point is, so here you can be working. I've got 4 gigs on here. I don't know if the other ones are on here. Is that my other gig? Yeah, there's my other gig. Teach you how to use DJI Studio. Increase your knowledge of Qigong. And last one there is teach you how to reframe in Insta. So I've got 4 gigs. The annoying thing is you can't have any more. You can only put 4 on there, basically. I've got a 5-star rating for that, apparently. Because I did do a class on that. But you can't have more than 4 because I'm not been on there. Well, I've been on there for nearly 2 years. But because I've not got customers, I haven't done much work, I haven't got a rating, and therefore I'm only allowed to have 4. Until you move up the ranks, you can only have 4. So again, very, very annoying. Yeah, where's this whole idea of me getting loads of work? Because basically I haven't done any for, 6 months at least. Apart from this whole thing where I've asked for people to quote for me for SEO, but I haven't done any work for anybody. And the other thing is, the last thing about this is how annoying it is. It's full of scammers. The Fiverr is full of scammers, full of time wasters. When you do get a message in the email section, when you do get a message, basically, these are messages from my quote, and you see they're all sent on Tuesday. Literally loads. But when you get a message, let's say, I don't know, pick one. This one here was, the user was from UK. She wrote to me and said, "Can you help me with whatever it was? I think it was CapCut. Can you help me with that for my daughter or my whatever?" And I said, "Yeah, sure, okay." So I replied, and I didn't hear from her again. It's like, well, why did you bother contacting me? And you see when that was. It was October. Literally, there are 2 customers I've had on here. The rest of inquiries are all time wasted. I had one, obviously, sounded really useful, sounded really good, and I thought, yeah, I can do that, no problem. So I responded, I said, yeah, let me know, book me, pay for the lesson, we can arrange the time. Did I hear from them? No. What a complete waste of time. So, yeah, as far as that's concerned, apparently I've had 4 orders. So clearly I've done more work than I thought. 3 customers, 4 jobs. I've earned $163. Now for me in the UK, that is not much. You're talking, 120 quid. And one of the jobs took me hours to do. Obviously I didn't quote for that correctly. That was my error. But the customer was happy with the job because I got a 5-star rating. When you get the work and you do the work and the customer's satisfied, then it's good. But it's just so annoying. People that contact you and then don't bother, and then you've got this whole email thing where you're expected to respond to people when you're asleep, and you get penalised for it. That will actually now affect my whole future, because I'll have to build that up. And of course, on my level, basically I'm still on new, so nobody's going to book me because it's a newbie, I won't bother with him. So until I get more, I can't have more gigs, I can't have more anything on it. It is a complete and utter scam as far as I'm concerned, because it's not doing me any good. And whereas the videos I watched, all the videos saying how wonderful it was and how you'll get work very quickly, yeah, I don't think so. Anyway, as always, let me know what you think. This is just my verdict. It's not gospel. It's just my experience of this. So if you let me know any different, then do let me know down below, because I'll be interested to hear. So have a good day. See you soon. Bye for now.